Okay, yeah, so, good morning so far. A few wins here, 4 out of 5. Now I'm up against the GOAT. Sicilian, my favourite at the moment, away from the French. Well, that's dragon line, fascinating. People really go for the main line without bishop c4. They do, don't they? Nope. Oh dear, I'm in trouble. So I don't know any of the theory. Oh dear. Actually, there was a a6 and b5 idea I wanted to experiment with. Why not just b5 straight off the bat? For a5 and a4. Is that right? Does anyone know the theory of this? Is that really right? If I just take... I'm deflecting the bishop away from b2 surely. And the diagonal. There's also knight c4 to consider. Bishop a4, knight c4, pick up the dark square bishop. That can't be bad. Also queen b6, knight b2 here. I think knight e3 looks the tastiest. Okay, so just stick some things on. Actually queen b6, knight f5. That's queen b2 there, knight e4. Nope. Actually queen b6, knight f5, I lose my dark square bishop. Queen c7, or just knight d7. Rook d8, knight c6. Rook c8. Okay, queen c7. What about just queen c7, then the other rook to b8. Queen c7 first. Oh, h5. What about h5? d5. d5, e5. What about e5? Knight b5. e5 is terrible. Play my diagonal. Knight h5, g4 is knight g3. Let's go back to queen b6 again. Knight f5, queen b4 say. What about if I just take there and bishop h6? Just play positionally. I'll do that. Take on e3 and play bishop h6. Because I've got a nice dark square bishop there. Alright, now I can just point at b2. Okay, protect the queen. 2 minute 30. I'm getting a4. That's awkward. Bishop not on the diagonal. Surely. Still trying in. Maybe check. Do I want the queen on? Maybe queen b7. Keep the queen on here. I've got the pressure. I've got the dark square bishop. So knight h5 coming up on knight g4, knight g4. 2 minute 13. I've lost a lot of time here, but got the dark square bishop. Rook c8 actually might be. Oh, blimey! What's going on here? Okay, can he get away with this? I'll protect e7 for a moment. So now I'm threatening a few things. Maybe rook c8 would be good. Just knight g4, knight e4, knight g4. So where's the queen going without losing a4? There's a check I can throw in. Bishop h6 check. There's bishop takes b2 check as well. It's all a bit too tasty. I don't know where to start. Okay, knight f2, queen a4. I think queen a4, I hope, is a good start, but I've only got a minute 25 now. So there's rook takes b2, and then I've blown it. I'll take on b2. He's got rook b3 if he wants to simplify. Can I get rook c8 to try and get on c2? Bishop h6 is g5 now. Oh, well there was. If I take, then I get bishop h6 again. I get my king slaughtered. So hang on, let's pile up on c2, c6 for a sec. I have to play e6 at this rate. Right, if I play e6, does it matter? 47 seconds. I'm playing for knight e7, queen c2. Anything stronger? Can't see it. Rook c2, king e3, rook e2, king f3. 36 seconds. I think I'm too slow on the clock here. 36 seconds, okay. Knight e7, rook e7, queen e7, queen c2, king e3, bishop h6 is answered by g5 there. Nope, can't see it. What's this? Okay. Throwing this check. There's queen g7. There's queen c2, that's the important one. Queen c2. 29 seconds. So if I'm getting queen c2, that should be good. Say, alright, so knight e7. I'm threatening queen d2 of queen e7. Queen d2 mate. Back row mates. Is he paying for a time win? Don't blame him. 22 seconds. So rook d1, rook a2. 22 seconds. Uh-oh. 17. I think I've blown it. 15. 14. Let's try and get in this rook a1. What about queen c5, g5? Whoops. Rook f1. Can I get the rook off? Well, that's a draw anyway. Ah! Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, too short of time. I just blundered there at the end. Just not playing. Anyway, quite good fun though. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah. Dragon Day today. Oh dear. That was all pretty crushing. Bishop up. Just time pressure really. Okay. Alright, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.